This is the American Patriot Surface-to-Air Missile System, or SAM, and this is the Russian S-400 SAM system. The two systems have different names and different technical specs, but they both operate in a similar way. In fact, most modern SAMs operate in a similar way. So how do surface-to-air missile systems work? A surface-to-air missile, or SAM, is a missile designed to be launched from the ground with the purpose of intercepting and destroying aircraft or other missiles. Most SAM systems consist of three main components: a radar, the control station, and a battery that contains the missiles themselves. The radar is used to detect and track aerial targets. Different systems have different radars depending on the need. The radar would send a burst of radio waves. When the waves hit a target, they bounce off of it and gets received by the radar again. The radar would then send the information to the control station to be analyzed. The computer in the control station will then analyze the data and determine the distance, velocity, and trajectory of the aerial object and tell whether it's friendly or not. If determined to be a hostile target, an operator would send a command to the battery to launch a missile in order to intercept the target. Then the control station would guide the missile to its target. The guidance computer would calculate the trajectory of the hostile target, would guide the missile on an intercepting point where it will destroy its target. Some missiles explode near the target, sending in a huge amount of fragments in order to increase the possibility of destroying the threat. Others use pinpoint destruction, meaning that the missile must directly hit its target in order to destroy it. The latter are mostly used against ballistic missiles. So let's recap. First, the radar would scan the sky for any aerial threats. Second, it would send the data to the control station to be analyzed. Third, after detecting a threat, the control station would send a command to the battery for a missile to be launched. Fourth, the missile would be guided to its target by the control station. And finally, the target would be destroyed. This was, in brief, how surface-to-air missile systems work. Thanks for watching. See you next time.